Friends, Hariprasad is back with a bang with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic is ERM, Employees Relationship Management. With a message I'll start. Telugu message. ఓర్పు చేదుగా ఉంటుంది కానీ దాని ఫలితం మధురంగా ఉంటుంది. Coming to the topic, ERM is a strategy to focus on employees. How employees are to be managed. That is the topic now I am giving. Nowadays, businesses are recognizing the power of individual. The power of individual is very important nowadays. Okay? CRM, Customer Relationship Management, which is CRM, is focused on increasing the value of the customer base. CRM for customers, ERM for employees. ERM, Employees Relationship Management, is focused on increasing the value of the employee base. ERM focuses on increasing the value of the employee base. ERM focuses on increasing the value of the customer base. Concept of ERM is satisfied employees tend to be more loyal, more motivated. If your employees are satisfied, they are more motivated, they are more satisfied. That is why make them happy all the time. Employees are customers. Employees, your internal publics. Customers, external publics. You need to manage both employees and customers. You need to satisfy both employees and customers. Then your company will be all right. Technology and intellectual capital will see companies through 21st century. In 21st century, what will happen? Technology and intellectual capital. Not money capital, intellectual capital. Employees. Intellectual capital is employees. So technology and intellectual capital will see through 21st century. In 21st century, very important thing you need to bear in mind is personal, means employees. Intellectual capital and technology, both required in 21st century. Attracting, managing and nurturing talent will be the single most issue that companies will have to grapple in the new millennium. Grapple means wrestle. Flow of proactive measures. Proactive, controlling situation. Proactive means controlling situation. Flow of proactive measures. I am giving some proactive measures. 1. Companies have to create an organizational ambience where talent can bloom. If you arrange such a situation, then talent blooms. Then employees will get retained in that company only. Number 2, companies have to put in place systems that help unleash their potential. Employees can unleash. Unleash means release. Employees can unleash their potential. So, company has to put such systems, such work measures in the company. Number 3, companies have to build in a reward and recognition mechanism that provides value for the employees. Reward mechanism. Reward mechanism is to be arranged in the company so that employees will prove. ERM is a business strategy which is gaining popularity all over the world. Both concepts of CRM and ERM emphasize satisfaction through good relationship, either ERM or CRM, employee relationship management or customer relationship management, either ERM or CRM. It all depends on your way how you tackle them. ERM can develop loyal employees. ERM can make employee more dependent, knowledgeable and confident in his day-to-day working. Sound ERM strategy and its successful implementation can address the following organizational concerns. Some organizational concerns I am giving so that you can maintain good ERM in your company. 1. Dramatically increases the performance and productivity of employees. 2. Develops leadership skills to support business growth. 3. Improves employees' commitment. 4. Captures employee opinions on issues important to their satisfaction such as benefits, policies, etc. 5. Embodies passion within every single employee about his future and the future of the organization. ERM strategy 1. Attract and select skilled employees. 2. Retain the excellent employees. 3. Nurture talent. 4. Lead and motivate employees. 5. High quality training and development. 6. Rethink the value of employee. 7. Chief executives can use blogging as a means to directly communicate with the employees. So blogging is writing in a blog. Firms in the world are facing a talent crunch. ERM concept is for how to find, attract, train, retain and satisfy employees. Best way to manage employees is provide them lot of freedom and same time load them with challenges and problems. Follow socially motivated HR policy to retain employees and keep the attrition much lower than the industry standards. Attrition means process of reducing something. Attrition means process of reducing something. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.
Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills. What are soft skills? There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They are all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.